In this video, I will show you how Instagram story views work. First, launch open the Instagram app on your device. Now, tap on the profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, you want to tap on your profile picture. If your story has been live for less than 24 hours, swipe up on the story tab or tap on activities. Here, you will see a list of accounts that have viewed your story along with likes and replies you have received. If your story has already expired, then you want to head back over to your profile, then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Here, find the option of Archive. Now, tap on the drop down and select Stories Archive. Select that. Now, you can open any story that you want. Then tap on the Activity option. Here you should be able to find the number of people who have viewed it and the number of likes as well. Keep in mind that Instagram only lets you see names of viewers for a limited time. After that period, you may see total number of views but not the complete list of accounts. Now, if you're wondering whether you can see anonymous viewers, the answer is no. Instagram does not allow anonymous story viewing. Anyone who views your story while logged into their Instagram account will appear in your viewers list during the time Instagram keeps that information available. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.